Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has released a circular regarding the internship in FSSAI. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360 and you're watching Foodtech Guides. In this video, we are going to discuss about the circular released by FSSAI for internship program. So we will be covering all the required details like eligibility criteria, period of internship, application process, important dates, stipend amount and so on. So watch the video till end. Without any further delay, let's get started. This circular has released on and the subject is mentioned as internship starting in the month of January 2022 under internship scheme 2021 to 2022 at FSSAI. Then they have given a small introduction regarding FSSAI. Now let's see the eligibility criteria for the internship. The students pursuing a full-time graduate or postgraduate degree, higher degree from a recognized institute within India or abroad in any of the following like chemistry, biochemistry, food technology, food science and technology, food and nutrition, edible oil technology, microbiology, dairy technology, agricultural or horticultural science, industrial microbiology, toxicology, public health, life science, biotechnology, fruits and vegetable technology, food safety and quality assurance. Students from business administration and management including policy regulation and related fields can also apply. PG diploma or degree in journalism, mass communication and public relations, BE or BTech in computer science or information technology, software engineering or related streams, postgraduate degree or diploma in public policy, public administration, bachelor or master of law. And it is noted that students in third or fourth year of bachelor's program in food technology or related fields can also apply. The internship will be available throughout the year at different points of time. The duration of internship is up to 3 months and it can be extended up to 6 months. There is no internship of duration less than a month will be offered. The internship will be on the following places like FSSAI headquarters which is in Delhi, then FSSAI Northern region which is in Uttar Pradesh, then FSSAI Western region which is in Mumbai, FSSAI Southern region which is in Chennai, FSSAI Eastern region which is Kolkata, National Food Laboratory located in Uttar Pradesh, National Food Laboratory located in Kolkata. So the interns will be attached to any of these places. And FSSAI has clearly mentioned that interns would be required to have their own laptops. They won't be bearing any expenses of any boarding and also they won't be providing any local lodging or travel facilities. The interested and eligible students can apply online through their official website. For your easiness, we have linked them down in the description. The shortlisted candidates may be required to submit a short write-up or presentation for final selection. The final list of selected candidates will be declared online on FSSAI website. Now let's see some important dates. The online application has started from 3rd of December 2021 and the last date for submitting online application is on 13th of December 2021. The shortlisted candidates will be announced on 23rd of December 2021 and the shortlisted candidates can join from 3rd of January 2022. And these are the areas or domains available for the internship. The first location mentioned is New Delhi where the headquarters of FSSAI is located, and in the areas like standards regulation or codex, regulatory compliance, FSMS, human resource, finance and accounts, imports, quality assurance, legal, IT, social and behavioral changes. And also regional offices in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata in area of food import, clearance and licensing, National Food Laboratory in Ghaziabad and Kolkata for food sampling and testing. The interns would be attached to one of the several divisions at FSSAI headquarters or regional offices or labs depending on the academic and technical training and assigned projects related to different aspects of food and nutrition management process. The stipend amount is 10,000 rupees for the internship and which will be given to the deserving interns on the recommendation of office or division that they are attached with. The criteria of deserving interns will be decided based on their attendance assignment by their respective reporting officers and evaluation of the report by the committee. FSSAI will be providing a certificate on successful completion of the internship based on the submission and review of final report or presentation. You can download the official notification from their website. Link is in the description. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Foodtech 360. Thank you.